Hey guys, I got a question the other day if you can re-upload people's videos. So downloading somebody else's video and then uploading on YouTube. Well, you can't. And if you think that they can't find out just because you put in a different title or your own language, well, think again. Actually, right here on YouTube, it's nothing hard. It's just right here on a dashboard from whoever has a channel on YouTube. You guys can go into your studio and right here on your options, you guys will have copyright. So see this option right here where it says copyright? All I have to do is click on it and I get a list of people who have downloaded and re-uploaded my videos. So it doesn't tell me who downloaded my videos, but whoever re-uploaded my videos. And then from here, I can just click here and request video removal. So it doesn't just remove that. I can choose whether I want to pursue further legal action. YouTube can actually pursue legal action as well in my part, okay? Or I can just give them a strike, or I can just let them off easy and tell them, okay, if you don't remove it in 7 days, then you might get a strike on YouTube, okay? So obviously with strikes, you just won't make it on YouTube. So that's why you guys can't do that, and it's very, very easy for the content creator to actually see who did that. So here's the list of people who have, I don't know why they've done that. They just re-uploaded my own videos. So that's what I do. I'm not an easygoing guy when it comes to this. I actually send them directly to a strike. I don't give them those 7 days to take down the video. I give them a strike right away, just because I don't think that's fair that they pick on small channels. Even big ones, they shouldn't pick on big ones. Either it's your own content, so you shouldn't do that really. Somebody took the effort to make that recording or anything like that. So anyways, if you're thinking about that, think again, because people can just find out and shut down your channel pretty easy. That's it for this video tutorial. I'm just gonna show you what happens when I click. For example, I can play on this video that this person stole from me. So he has no subscribers, but some other people do have subscribers. I can just contact the channel. Sure, it could be easy going. I can archive this, but I'm gonna request a removal. So I'm gonna click right there. I'm gonna click right here on request video removal. Once I click there, it's gonna ask me some personal information, so I have to fill that out. Plus down here below, you guys will see schedule 7-day notice, or I can do a standard request. And that's what I usually do, and I just put in a copyright, fill up my name, which is your signature, and that's it. That's how easy it is, and that's how easy YouTube makes it for you to find out people who have copied your videos. Even if they copied, let's say 3 seconds out of your 30-minute, not 3 seconds, but maybe 1 minute out of your 30-minute video, YouTube can still find that because it's pretty easy, right? And then they just match it up and then you can contact them. So it's really up to you whether you guys want to do this or not. But if you're thinking of re-uploading videos, this is one of the reasons why you shouldn't do it. And overall, you guys just shouldn't do that. That's it for this video tutorial. If you guys have any questions, comments, you guys can write them down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.